And one more thing, I don't know if you know this interpretation, I call bullshit on that statement because many of the GMOs right now on the market are brand new. They're totally different. So they have not been tested for 30 years and completely new and different. Those have never been tested, long-term human health studies, never. Yeah, and so the main campaign's slogans were the right to know. We have a right to know what is in our food. Because right now, many of GMOs are hidden within the food we eat. And also, any and all meat, those chickens, cows, pigs eat GMOs, which the main issue there is also that those GMOs are covered in Roundup, and that Roundup also goes into the meat. So a famous poet and author and farmer named Wendell Berry has said, how we eat determines to a considerable extent how the earth is used. So we have a responsibility. What we decide to eat does matter and does determine how the planet is used or abused.